Good morning. How are you? Hope you all are well. Now children, it's time for us to start our today's session where we are going to learn about our new letter. And which letter is this? This is letter H. We are going to learn about letter H. The learning objectives for this activity are introduce letter H, introduce the phonic sound, action, rhyme and story of letter H to develop literacy skills and to enhance vocabulary. The resources for this activity we need uppercase and middle case letter H written on a paper. Now let's start our activity. What we have to do, children? We have to orally recite letters A to Z. And how we are going to do? You have to do it with me. You have to do it with me. So let's begin. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now children, what we are going to do is, we are going to do a recap of letters A to Z very quickly. Can you see this first flashcard? And can you tell which letter is this? This is letter A. This is letter A. And what does letter A says? Letter A says ah. Letter A says ah. And who is the friend of letter A? The friend of letter A is Annie Apple. Annie Apple. Now can you see the next flashcard? Can you tell which letter is this? This is letter B. And what does letter B says? Letter B says B. And which letter and character is friend of letter B? Bouncy Ben is friend of letter B. Now can you see the next flashcard? Can you tell which letter is this? This is letter C. This is letter C. And what does letter C says? Letter C says K. Letter C says K. And which letter and character is friend of letter C? Clever cat is friend of letter C. Now can you see the next flashcard? This is letter D. This is letter D. And what does letter D says? Letter D says D. Letter D says D. And which letter and character is friend of letter D? Dippy Duck is friend of letter D. Now, can you see this next flashcard? This is letter E. This is letter E. And what does letter E says? Letter E says eh. Letter E says eh. And which letter and character is friend of letter E? Addy Elephant is friend of letter E. Now can you see the next flashcard? This is letter F. This is letter F. And what is the phonic sound of letter F? The phonic sound of letter F is and which letter and character is friend of letter F? Firefighter Fred is friend of letter F. Now we are going to meet to our new letter. Can you see the uppercase and middle case letter H written here? Can you see? Yes, this is letter H. Do you know letter H also has another sound which is can you repeat after me? What you have to do? You have to say now. Can you tell which letter and character is friend of letter H? Harry Hatman is friend of letter H. Harry Hatman is friend of letter H. And what is the action trick? The action trick for letter H is you have to breathe on your hand in front of mouth and say and say and say. Now, can you what we are going to do today? Now we are going to listen to the rhyme of Harry Hatman.
Recite Harry Hatman rhyme. Harry Hatman's whispers ha, whispers ha, whispers ha. Harry Hatman's whispers ha, he never talks out loud. Let us recite one more time. Harry Hatman's whispers ha, whispers ha, whispers ha. Harry Hatman whispers ha, he never talks out loud. Thank you.
Now we are going to listen to the story of Harry Hatman. I am going to tell you the story of Harry Hatman. So are you ready? Okay, let's start. Halfway up a high hill in Letterland is Harry Hatman's house. In his house, he has a hat shop where he makes hundreds of hats. He even made a hat for his house when the roof blew off. If you want to buy a hat, please ask Harry very quietly. Why? Because he hates noise. That's why you can hardly hear him when he whispers his sound. He doesn't even wear shoes because they make too much noise as he hops along. When Harry Hatman feels especially happy, can you guess what he does? He does a handstand with his hat on. In fact, he does lots of handstand. That's why people often call him Harry the Happy Hatman. Children, did you enjoy the story of Harry Hatman? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce you to the friend of letter H, which are house, halfway, hop, high, happy, and handstand. Now what you have to do is, this is your homework. You have to complete this worksheet and share photographs with me. I'm sure that you all had fun learning this new letter. Now it's time to say bye. Bye. Have a nice day.